Okay, guys. So, my computer is not working, and I really need help fixing it, and it's Alienware 14. It's an old computer, but I need your guys' help. So, I need you guys to see if you know how to fix the problem. So when I turn my computer on, it doesn't do anything. And when I try to turn it on, wait, it's not doing what it does, but it does a little beep. It does this little beep. It's not like ones I've seen in videos. That's why I'm asking you guys, because I haven't found it in videos. The videos I find are like beeps that are like beep, 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 beep. This one is like, it's a very tiny one, and it's like beep. It's like beep. It's really quiet. You can't really hear it that good unless you put your ear up to it. So let me unplug it, plug it back in, and it might do that beep noise I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I hear that. You hear this? You might have to turn your volume all the way up. Like turn it all the way up. And you might hear that. So if you can help me, please do. I've tried everything. And sometimes it turns on very, very rarely, but then it turns back off a few minutes later. So if you know how to fix this, please tell me.